everybody. Happy Monday. It is a glorious day. The weather this weekend was awesome. Not too much wind, and got a little warm yesterday, but it was beautiful. Another sunny day in beautiful Las Vegas, and my husband always says another day in paradise. So however you look at it, here we are. Let's see. Wow, what news today? We have 31 days of available inventory. What is going on? We listed 131 homes over the weekend, and on Friday we had 191 closings. My goodness, the numbers, they're different. They're trending in a different direction. Of those listings, the 131 listings, 33 were single-family homes, 475,000 or under, for a total now of 795 homes. Oh dear, am I not connected? I'm sure you all can still hear me, hopefully. Let's see. Let me check. I know, I have to tell you, it's been a day and a half so far. I'm sure you all know how that goes. Let's see here, make sure. Come on. We don't have time to mess around here. We got things to talk about. Okay. Let's see. Can you hear me? I know. Okay. All right, you can. That's good. Sorry about that. I know they say, oh, don't do that, but I have to because I want you to hear me. Hi, everybody. Thanks for joining me this morning. 31 days of inventory. Now, we are selling year to date 124 homes a day. This month, we're selling 111 homes a day. So we're trending down on the number of sales per day, but we shall see. You know, it tends to change toward the end of the month. I started putting in the month to date for last year, and I moved the year to date down here. So last year in May, we were selling 137 homes a day, or no, year to date, I'm sorry. Year to date, January through May 16th, we were selling 137 homes per day. That's 14 more than we're selling this year to date. So, of course, we had the pandemic and all those built up buyers. So I'm not surprised. And I'm happy, actually, that it's that low. So anyway, it's all good. It's all good stuff. The $1 million homes, 5.5 a day, flying off the shelf. There's 630 available. That number keeps creeping up, which means more and more $1 million plus home buyers, sellers are putting their houses on the market to sell. And they're selling faster than ever. True story. Let's see. I think that's all for remarkable about our market. I did want to show you this, which is last year. This is May of 2021. A little bit different market, but I wanted just to bring the attention to the inventory. We had about, 0.6 times 3. Where's Jimmy? He always helps me with that. 18 days. So last year, our inventory was a lot lower, and now we're trending up as far as days of inventory.